Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Honeygain to MetaMask. First, install the MetaMask browser extension on your web browser. Next, create a new wallet or import an existing one, making sure to keep your seed phrase safe. It's crucial to connect your MetaMask wallet to the correct network, typically the Binance Smart Chain for Honeygain payouts. This initial setup ensures a smooth process for receiving your earnings. Double-check all details before proceeding to the next step. Now, let's link Honeygain to your MetaMask wallet. Go to the Payout section in your Honeygain dashboard. You'll need to select the Jump Task option for withdrawals, as this is the bridge to your crypto wallet. Follow the prompts to connect your MetaMask wallet directly through the Jump Task platform. This process securely authorizes the transfer of your earnings. Confirm the connection to proceed with your first payout. To confirm your connection, first verify that your MetaMask wallet address is accurately displayed within the Jump Task interface. Next, open your MetaMask extension and check your Activity tab for any pending or completed transactions related to Honeygain. It's also important to ensure you have a small amount of BNB in your wallet to cover potential gas fees on the Binance Smart Chain. This step confirms your setup is ready for payouts. If you encounter any issues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This often resolves minor glitches. Also, make sure both your Honeygain application and MetaMask extension are updated to their latest versions for optimal performance and security. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. If problems persist, consult Honeygain's support resources for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.